Hey everyone, welcome back to Ifix Tech. Whether you are a gamer, a writer, or just someone who loves good keyboard, this one got a lot to offer. Let's get started. Today, we're going to dive into the RK84 RGB keyboard. This is the Roach Clutch limited edition keyboard. Inside the box, we can find a lot of great extras. There is a user manual where we can find many useful information about the keyboard function and how it works. Here's a good looking keyboard itself. Here is a 2-in-1 keycap and switch puller in case you need to change any key. So hot-swappable means you can easily replace the switches without any soldering. This is perfect for those who like to customize their typing experience. These hot-swappable RK switches are linear. They require an operating force of 50 to 60 Gs, and they have a both-3 smooth quick response. Hear this out. PCB support 3 pins or 5 pin switch. 99% mechanical switch is replaceable. It also comes with the software where you can reassign the keys and also reassign the light effects. Here we can see the USB Type-C cable. It is pretty long and also comes with a Type-A USB adapter. And these are the magnetic foot stand. And here is the keyboard. First, let's talk about the specification. This is a compact 75% layout keyboard with 84 keys, which make it great for saving desk space while still having all the essential keys you need. The RK84 also comes with a removable frame, allowing for a sleek, frameless look or a more traditional feel, depending on your preference. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its connectivity. It offers 3 modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a wire via Type-C port. Additionally, it has 2 USB 2.0 pass-through ports, making it easy to connect other devices. Switching between modes is seamless, and the 3550 mAh battery ensures you get plenty of use time between charge. The magnetic foot stand will help you get the height of your preference. The RK84 also has diverse RGB backlighting, which you can customize using the include do-it-yourself software. You can choose from various lighting effects to match your setup or mood. Now, let's test the typing sound. Typing on this keyboard feels fantastic. The ABS double shot keycaps are durable and the overall build quality is solid. Overall, the RK84 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a versatile and customizable keyboard. It's perfect for gaming, typing, and everything in between. If you are interested, I'll leave the link in the description below where you can check it out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on this keyboard if you have any question, etc. See you next time.